Imagine living in a residence on the highest floor in all of Palm Beach. This is the Grand Penthouse. This newly renovated residence features rare 12-foot ceilings, a very spacious open floor plan, and sleek, timeless design. One of my favorite parts of this spacious kitchen is the double islands, 2 wine refrigerators, high-end finishes, and the most fabulous views of Palm Beach. Amazing location, walking distance to Palm Beach Island. Well over 4,000 square feet, including 3 bedrooms, plus an office, and 3.5 bathrooms.